Meanwhile, at the circus tent with Yala and Louie. The next day with Blot. Later on that same day with Louie. Also, I want to say these videos do not belong to me. Don't go harassing me saying that I made the videos. I don't have SMM on my phone, so I had to borrow these videos off of YouTube. So, creds to them. I also wanted to credit Zio or Zamikak, I think that's how I spell your name, for the Circus Troupe farting videos. I like those. You should go subscribe to them. I don't know what else to put here, so...